Hey, hush! No way I'm going to get those. Oh! Holy! This is unreal! Save him! The roof is toast! I've never seen anything like this! Woo-hoo! Our fucking soffit is toast. It's bent all the hell. Oh. This is unreal. Unbelievable. Look at our freaking eavesdrop. It's all bent to hell. Toast. I know. This is unreal. All right. I'm gonna go get a couple. Huh? Woo. Come here, Hal. Look at this. Okay. Ah. Holy frickin'.
Get a picture.
Skippers.
Look at that. Look at that.
Hold up by your face, huh? Yeah. Oh. Huh? Oh, that hurts. I know, it wrecked them bad. The whole roof. Awesome. I'm going this way.
Holy, poke holes in that stool! Holy cow! Oh my god! That's so funny. Dad, look at those ones.
I know.
You won't get them. Daddy, this one!
Yeah.
Look how circled it is! It's circle! That one in the freezer because it was circle.
Did ya?
Dad, the one under the stool is huge!
Is it? Get it. Get it.
I can't get it! I don't want us flaming big. Daddy, look at this! Look at these!
I know, they're huge. Let's see it, Ray. That is, no, sure, don't. That is wicked. Oh.
That's bigger than this is like deadly. Like
Oh yeah.
I'm not joking. This is deadly.
Here's my soffit or my yeast trough, all bent up from the hail.
Go get a really big one and we'll compare to a wiffle ball. That still wasn't as loud as the one that was still right there.
No.
I don't know if I'll ever hear a louder noise than that again.
Okay, let's go take a bunch of them. We'll put them on with the wiffle ball.
Yeah.
Put them by the wiffle ball.
Oh, it's like calm down. It's just rain
Oh,
now.
okay.
Here. And that's not a very
Yeah,
good
that's a
size.
tiny one.
But you know that tiny one that was the circled one? I got it because it was like really circled. Is that okay, Daddy?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's just raining now. It's not.
Oh, it's just pouring. It's just pouring.
Yeah, like I want to go look downtown now. That would be.
Oh.
I want to.
We got out of there just in time.
Look at this one. Look at this one, Dad.
Yeah.
I want to just spot it.
Okay, Ridge, you gotta hold this video.